Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your data is safe and your system is ready. Export your PSD or verify cloud sync. Once done, free at least 2 GB. Check and install any pending OS updates so Outlook's installer won't fail. Then close Outlook and disable non-essential add-ins to prevent interruptions. You do these steps now because they reduce rollback risk and speed the update. Once complete, open the Office Update menu and proceed to the next phase. You should now run the update from Outlook's account pane. Open File, choose Office Account, then Update Options and pick Update Now. This fetches patches and feature releases. Watch the download percentage and let the installer finish. Avoid interrupting power or network. If you're on Microsoft 365, make sure you're signed in and the license is active so components update correctly. Once the installer reaches completion, restart Outlook. After installation, restart Outlook and confirm Mail, Calendar, Search, and Rules work as expected. You should re-enable add-ins one at a time and test stability after each to spot problematic extensions. If something breaks, try launching Outlook using /safe to isolate add-ins, then run Office Repair from Control Panel or Settings. That fixes corrupted components. As a last resort, restore your PSD or cloud backup you made earlier. This sequence minimizes downtime and gets you back to a stable Outlook quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.